Hello friends, how are you doing? And welcome to my channel. And in this video I'm going to show you how to customize the Google Chrome browser. And most probably the Google Chrome browser is the browser that we use the most. Okay, and if you are tired of the same wallpaper and the backgrounds and the background colors, okay, and if you want to change, then this video is for you. And customizing the Google browser is quite easy. Okay, I'll show you an example in my laptop. Okay, first I'll open this browser, Google Chrome. Okay, here you can see this, and there's an option for customizing Google Chrome here at the lower right corner, customize. Okay, here are some options available. First, you can change the background of the Google Chrome. Okay, there are many wallpapers, images available. If I want this, okay, click on down, you can see the background of the Google Chrome has been changed and it looks nice. Okay. In the similar way, you can change any other images. Also, you can set a color as a background, solid color. Let's say if I want this light blue color, you can see the background of the Google Chrome has been changed. Okay, and in this way we have some other options for customizing. Okay, for shortcuts, whether we want to enable shortcuts in our home page or not. Okay, if I want to hide it, okay, you can see there's no shortcut in the home page of Google Chrome browser. And also there's an option color and theme. Okay, you can change the theme color. Okay, this black, straight, okay, or anything you like. So in this way we can customize the appearance of Google Chrome browser. Okay, and this was for today. Please like and share this video and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for the notifications of my latest updates. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.